All right, and we go to cricket now. We'll tell you a little bit more about Harbourview's successful JPL final last night. But let's give you this cricket story as Jamaica and West Indies opening batsman John Campbell is facing the possibility of a maximum 4-year ban from the sport as he prepares to face the independent anti-doping disciplinary panel within the next 48 hours for a recent anti-doping rule violation. Keon Rayner has the latest in this developing story.
Kent Gammon, the chairman of the 3-member anti-doping disciplinary panel, confirmed with TVJ Sports by phone on Monday that John Campbell, a left-handed batsman, will answer to the rule violation of evading, refusing or failing to submit to sample collection this Wednesday, July 6. However, Gammon, an attorney by profession, did not provide any further details as to when the anti-doping rule violation occurred. Checks with an international sports lawyer indicated that the sanction relating to evading, refusing or failing to submit to sample collection can range between 2 to 4 years if the athlete is found guilty of the violation. The matter to be heard behind closed doors will also include Dr. Marjorie Vassell and Dean Martin. Campbell has played 20 test matches between January 2019 and last month for the West Indies, scoring 888 runs at an average of 26.11. The 28-year-old has also played in 6 one-day internationals and 2 T20 internationals for the Caribbean side. Reporting for Radio Jamaica Sports, I'm Keon Rayner.